points in this resolution which we have proposed. इसमें हमने 9 विषय हैं जो प्रपोज किए हैं और हमने अन्य राजनीतिक दलों से भी बात की है, विभिन्न सिविल सोसाइटी ग्रुप से भी बात की है, टीम अन्ना से भी बात की है और इसमें कई इवॉल्विंग पोजीशंस हैं और 2 सिद्धांत इसमें हमने रखे हैं कि एक स्वतंत्र और निष्पक्ष और मजबूत लोकपाल हो और दूसरा किसी संवैधानिक प्रावधान का उल्लंघन ना हो. It must be constitutionally compatible and not be in violation of any provision. Therefore, in relation to MPs, conduct within the House can only be examined by the House. So we have said in this resolution that whatever you draft should be subject to the provisions of Article 105. Similarly, who has the power to dismiss a government servant? Because he has a security of tenure under a constitutional provision, Article 311. So it's obviously the government which can do it, the appointing authority or not somebody subordinate to the appointing authority. That also we have said that you must comply with Article 311. This you can broadly take it, may imply some evolving of position as far as the activists are concerned. And there are some provisions after consulting parties, we have also specifically stated that position. Our effort is that a debate, what are the 2 conflicting areas? The government says, 3 bills have a general seminar in the House. You won't know who stands for what.
और जो बिल सर्कुलेट भी नहीं किए गए.
So there are many other provisions of this bill जिसमें झगड़ा नहीं है.
वो डॉक्यूमेंट सर्कुलेट भी नहीं किए.
We have clinched the 9 points and we want the specifics to be commented upon by parties and if necessary be voted upon.
Coming back to that point.